Hey friends, welcome back to our channel, and today I'm going to share some idiomatic expressions with you all. So let's get going. Friends, this is the first part of idiomatic expressions. Part 2 will come soon. So let's start with it. The first one is around the clock, which means all day and night. For example, I studied all around the clock for my exams. The second one is at loggerheads with, which means to oppose someone. For example, my mother told me to leave the phone, but I was at loggerheads with her. The third one is at random, which means without sequence or order. For example, teacher takes the question at random in question paper. The fourth one is at someone's back and call, which means to be always ready to serve somebody. For example, all time I am at back and call for my mother. The fifth one is at the 11th hour, which means at the last possible moment. For example, some students learn the chapters at the 11th hour before the exam. The sixth one is at this juncture, which means at the present time. For example, it was at this juncture that Sir George Grey was sent to the Cape of Governor. The seventh one is bear the brunt of something, which means to withstand the worst part or the strongest part of something. For example, the kids should not have to bear the brunt of for what the parents did. The eighth one is beat around the bush, which means to speak indirectly. For example, if you want to ask me, just ask. Don't beat around the bush. The ninth one is behind the closed doors, which means in secret. For example, the decisions are made behind the closed doors. The tenth one is bite the dust, which means to be killed or to break down or to be defeated. For example, I am not going to bite the dust so easily because throughout my life I have been a fighter. That's it for today's video, guys. We will bring more videos to help you out. So please subscribe to our channel, press the notification bell, like to our videos, and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.